really had to move. That's why, if you please, I am on my bended knees. Bertha, don't you come around here anymore. Just myself and green. Lord, I went out under the sea. Try to see what's going down. Lord, try to read between the lines. I had a feeling I was falling, falling, falling. Lord, I turned around to see. Heard a voice calling. Lord, it was running back to me. If you please, I am on my bended knees. Bertha, don't you come around here anymore. Ran into a rainstorm. I dug back into a bottle. It's all right, pouring, Lord, but not a drop on me. Test me, test me, test me, test me, test me. Why don't you arrest me? Throw me into the jailhouse. Lord, tell me son, go down. Tell it go down. I had to move, really had to move. That's why, if you please, I am on my bended knees. Bertha, don't you come around here anymore. If you please, I'm on my bended knees. Bertha, don't you come around here anymore. I had to move, really had to move. That's why, if you please,